How to convert Lazada coins into Lazada wallet. First things first is open up or access your Lazada application. Make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. And once you're here, ensure that you're logged into your account. Now at the lower right portion of your screen, you should be able to see account option. Tap on that. Scroll down a bit till you find My Lazada Wallet. Now hit on View. In here, for you to be able to convert coins from your Lazada account into your wallet, you just gotta make sure that your Lazada wallet is fully activated. Now, once you have successfully activated your Lazada wallet, you can now go ahead and process the steps. Now, coins cannot be converted into Lazada wallet, but the alternative option to do this method is just to proceed to your checkout page. And once you're on your checkout page and start paying any items that you would like to have and use your Lazada wallet as your payment method, you can definitely use your extra coins to have a support of the payment that you will be executing on your checkout page. So I believe that's the only thing that you can do for you to be able to convert your Lazada coins into your Lazada wallet.